Imagine you're planning a trip to a bustling city, eager to explore its landmarks and immerse yourself in its culture. You've booked your flights, packed your bags, and even mapped out your itinerary. But then, a nagging question pops into your head: where exactly is the city's main financial hub? For many people, the idea of visiting a bank might not be the most exciting prospect. But for those who are curious about the inner workings of the financial world, or simply want to know where to find the best exchange rates, the location of a city's main bank can be a crucial piece of information. Today, we're going to explore the headquarters of EverBank. So, let's dive in and find out where this financial institution calls home. What is EverBank? Before we get into the specifics of EverBank's headquarters, let's take a quick look at what this bank is all about. EverBank is a financial services company that offers a wide range of products and services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, loans, and investment products. Founded in 1998, EverBank has grown into a major player in the financial industry. The bank is known for its innovative products and its commitment to customer service. The headquarters hunt, a brief history. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Where is EverBank headquarters located? To answer this question, we need to take a brief trip back in time. EverBank was originally founded in Jacksonville, Florida. The city's growing economy and business-friendly environment made it an ideal location for the bank's operations. As EverBank continued to expand, it became clear that the Jacksonville headquarters were no longer sufficient to meet the bank's needs. In response, EverBank made the decision to relocate its headquarters to a new, state-of-the-art facility. The new home, a modern marvel. In 2014, EverBank officially opened its new headquarters in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. The facility is a modern marvel, featuring a sleek design and cutting-edge technology. The new headquarters were designed to provide EverBank employees with a collaborative and inspiring work environment. The building includes a variety of amenities, such as a fitness center, a cafeteria, and outdoor spaces for employees to relax and recharge. The move to Ponte Vedra Beach also allowed EverBank to tap into a talented pool of workers in the area. The city's proximity to Jacksonville and other major cities in Florida made it an attractive location for employees seeking a high quality of life. Why Ponte Vedra Beach? But why did EverBank choose Ponte Vedra Beach as the location for its new headquarters? There were several factors that influenced the bank's decision. One of the key reasons was the city's business-friendly environment. Ponte Vedra Beach offers a low tax rate and a supportive business community. This made it an attractive option for EverBank, which was looking to create a thriving and sustainable business. Another factor was the city's quality of life. Ponte Vedra Beach is known for its beautiful beaches, excellent schools, and low crime rate. This made it a desirable place for EverBank employees to live and work. A tour of the headquarters. Now that we know where EverBank headquarters is located, let's take a virtual tour of the facility. While we can't show you the inside of the building, we can describe some of its key features. The EverBank headquarters is a large, modern structure that is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The building features a variety of workspaces, including open-plan offices, private meeting rooms, and collaborative spaces. One of the highlights of the headquarters is the employee cafeteria. The cafeteria offers a variety of healthy and delicious food options, and it is a popular gathering place for employees. Outside the building, there are landscaped grounds and outdoor seating areas. These spaces provide employees with a place to relax and enjoy the beautiful Florida weather. So, there you have it, EverBank headquarters is located in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. The bank's new facility is a modern marvel that provides employees with a collaborative and inspiring work environment. EverBank's decision to relocate its headquarters to Ponte Vedra Beach was a strategic one. The city's business-friendly environment and high quality of life made it an ideal location for the bank's operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.